it's Miss Wright. How are you all today? I'm really excited today because I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Play-Doh at home. So what you're going to need is some flour, some salt, some cream of tartar, some oil, some hot water from your kettle, so you will need an adult to help you with this bit, and some food colouring. I don't have any food colouring, so I've just chosen some petals from flowers in my house. So don't worry if you don't have any food colouring. Right, let's get started. I'm going to move everything to the side so that I have some more space. I'm going to grab a big mixing bowl. Okay, and first you need 2 cups of flour. So I'm wondering, can you count how many cups I have with me? Ready? So I need 2 cups. 1, 'a little bit more. 2. Next, you're going to need half a cup of salt. So I've got my half cup here, and I'm going to pour the salt into the cup. Ready? So lots and lots of salt. We're going to fill it all the way to the top. Give it a little squeeze if it's not coming out. All the way, it's nearly to the top, and stop, because it's full to the top now. I'm going to give it a little shake to make sure it's all the way to the top, and then I'm going to pour it into my bowl. What's next? Now I need 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. Okay, so I'm going to grab my tablespoon. Your hands are going to get a little bit messy during this, so don't worry because you can wash them afterwards. Okay, so help me count. Ready? I've got 1. I'm actually going to need another pack of that, so I'll grab that now. Open it up. So I've got 1. How many more do I need? You're right, 1 more. So we've got 1, and this is number 2. And I'm going to pour all of that into the bowl. Now, next, I'm going to need some oil, and I need 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to grab my oil, and I'm going to pour it into my tablespoon. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, next, this is when I will be adding my food colouring. If you do have food colouring, you need to mix it in with your water. Okay, but I don't have any food colouring, so I'm going to pour in my petals from the garden now. Okay, and then you're going to need 1 cup of boiling water. So remember what I said, you need an adult to help you with this, okay? So let's find my cup. I'm going to be really, really careful with the kettle. I'm going to pour it really slowly because it's hot water. All the way to the top. Ready? Let's say stop. Okay, and then I'm going to pour my boiling water into my bowl. Now this is the fun bit, okay? You're going to take a spoon and you need to mix, mix, mix. Okay, and you're going to mix it up until it starts to firm up so that you can hold it in your hands. So I'm going to keep mixing, and I'm going to mix until I know that when I pick it up, it's not going to go through my fingers. Okay, Now if you have a look inside my bowl, you can see that looks good now. I think I'll be able to pick it up. So I'm going to move my bowl to the side. I'm going to put a little bit of flour on the top so that it doesn't stick to my board. Okay, and now you might need an adult to help you get the dough out of the bowl. And then what you're going to do is you're going to roll it into a ball like this. Go roll, roll, roll. And then you're going to use your super strong hands to push it down. And you're going to keep pushing it. Keep pushing it down until you get a nice ball. Mine's a little bit sticky, so what I might need to do is add a little bit more flour. So I'm just putting a little bit more flour onto my board, and I'm going to keep rubbing it into my Play-Doh. And what I'm doing is I'm squashing it down until my Play-Doh isn't sticky anymore. There we go. When your Play-Doh doesn't feel sticky and it's nice and soft, you're going to roll it into a ball like this. And there's my Play-Doh. Now that I have my Play-Doh, I'm going to have a go at making something with it. I know what I'm going to make. See if you can guess what I'm making. But don't worry if you don't have any tools at home, because you can just use your hands. First, I'm going to roll it to make a body. Then I'm going to use my hands to squash it like this. It has a body, one wing. Has anyone guessed what it is yet? Don't forget to tell your grown-up if you know what I'm making. I'm going to use my other hand to flatten. Okay, I have one body, two wings, and I've got one more thing to add. Don't forget to tell your grown-up if you know what I'm making. Gonna roll the Play-Doh again. And I'm done. Okay, it has a body, two wings and two antennae. Can you guess what it is? You're right, it's a butterfly. Now, my challenge for you, Nursery, if you have your own Play-Doh at home or you've made some Play-Doh, can you make your own object, take a picture and then put it on tapestry for me and Miss Compton to see? I'm so excited to see your amazing creations. If you haven't got the ingredients to make your own Play-Doh at home, don't worry, because I'm going to be posting a simple recipe with just 2 ingredients for you to try instead. Thank you for listening, Nursery. Hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye.